Hello everybody to lesson 24 of CSS for attractive design. In this lesson we will use an image for a border. Okay, so we will create a border with images. So what we have here in the code, we have only a header. Okay, so this is the header that we have it, and I'll add here a style. Let's see h1, which we have the header, then say border, then in the border we'll say, for example, it's at 9 pixel, then slide, then great, then see padding. Let's add a little bit padding. Let's see 30 pixel. Save it and see what we have. A normal body, a normal border. We'll add here border image, and we'll write the URL of the image. I will say, for example, the second image that I have here there, and let's see 30 pixel, and here we have round. We have we have round. Save it and reload. Is there a problem? There's no problem, everything is great. Let's go and refresh and see what we have here. There's an error here. 30%, and let's refresh the page and see what we have. So I have an image. The image that I added there, it's like here. I'll add the image that I have used it. So it's toe. Save it. So this is the image that I have. Okay, I have used it for the border. So when you use the image, I could increase, for example, that thing, or increase the border width. For example, let's see 30. Save it. Refresh. Could you see? It's greater than when you write it like that. So it looks better. Okay. There's something I think here is repeat. Let's try it. Fresh. It's been repeating. No, this previous one is great. The round is better. So here you could see, if you have a comment, okay, and you could add it with that image, and it will be like that. So why we should use it like that? Not with images. We could add image. Okay. We use it like that because when you use an image and you use it and create it with Photoshop, and you have a lot of images in your website, it will make your website ugly. So you will wait a lot for the page to be loaded. So we use the CSS as much as we could instead of using the images, because the images will load the server. We need a lot of work to get the information from the server. So we use these the CSS styles to save our performance. Okay, so you could manipulate with these things. You could increase for example, that value, which means how many times you need it to be repeated, 60%, 20%, as much as you want. Okay, so, and we have around. We could include control the size of that element here. I will, for example, repeat that for 34. Refresh. Sorry, what happened? The value was 314. So here could be the value. Also, you could change the image. For example, if I choose here logo and another image, save it and refresh the page. So this is the image that we have. I have another image here, which I could show you how was that image is. So logo, save it. So here's the image that I have it. Okay, it's look like that, but the previous one is better, which is that one. So this is how to use the image as a border for your website. And thanks for watching, and see you again. Bye for now.